COVID-19 is now considered a pandemic and citizens of all ages are now advised to stay home as much as possible. 10 kilos of dog food, 8 kilos of cat food, 5 kilos of cat litter. It's the 6th floor, there's no elevator. I believe that as a family we need to discuss some very important things between us. No! You're not supposed to touch your face. Easy tricks for your dog to learn. Katze? Oh, it worked! Xapla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 47, 48, 49. The apartment has 237 tiles. Thundercats are on the move. Thundercats are loose. Hello? Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Pamuk. Gremlin. Gotcha. Which African animal has killed the most people ever? Babe. I've got you, babe. I've got you to hold my hand. I've got you to understand. 5, 6, 7, 32, 33.
21 νέα κρούσματα κορονοϊού ανακοινώθηκαν νωρίτερα.
This is the air condition. And this is the lamp where the mosquitoes are. This is Gremlin.
Βγήκαν στα μπαλκόνια, χειροκρότησαν, έδωσαν το μεγαλύτερο και το πιο δυνατό χειροκρότημα και για το ιατρικό και για το νοσηλευτικό προσωπικό. Number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many breasts do female dogs have? Bang! Okay, get up now because mommy's freaking out. 1 for Laura, who slept for 13.5 hours last night. 1 for Apollo, who didn't throw up on the rug, but who threw up on the tiles. And 1 for Pelagia for cleaning up all the cat food leftovers. Oh, damn it! I just cleaned the table. Oh, I have the cutest kitty ever. Psst, 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 psst. Instagram. Cats of Instagram. 547, 548, 549. How many legs do bees have? 4, 5, 6, 7, 102, 103. Do bats hibernate?
106 seconds after takeoff, Flight 587 falls from the sky.
Mommy's gonna have to go away for a while now.
Next time you might want to hold on to your girl a little tighter, you little punk. Ha-ha! She's mine. Let's go.
Look at me now, she's rolling with a G. She used to be rolling, now she rolling with me. Okay, alright,
I'm thinking of cooking spaghetti tonight. What do you think? Can my dog eat spaghetti? Can my dog eat strawberries? Can my dog read my mind? Gremlin catches the ball first, passes it on to Pamuk. This is going to be a struggle for survival. Gremlin thinks she has it and... Goal!
Get back in your car right now! Remain with your feet!
Do dolphins have teeth?
human! The virus seems to be under control, however, experts fear a new outbreak if citizens don't uphold the social distancing measures. Which is bigger, the grizzly bear or the polar bear? Name the slowest animal in the world. A snail can sleep for how many years? What do baby mice feed on for the first few weeks? A group of lions is known as... How many heart chambers does a cockroach have? True or false, rabbits are born blind. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Which animal never sleeps? Out of 12, how many dogs survived the Titanic disaster? Which animal does not drink water? Where is the heart of the shrimp situated? Which animal has no vocal cords?